Before buying Fora Financial, there are a few things you absolutely need to know to make sure it's the right fit for your business. In this video, I'm going to dive into 7 critical points that could help you decide whether this lending service is a smart move or if you should consider other options. Stick around till the end, as I'll give you the best offer you can find and explain how to test the product risk-free. The first thing you need to know is that Fora Financial offers working capital loans and business lines of credit that can really help your business grow, especially if you've been in business for at least 6 months. Unlike traditional banks, Fora Financial is often more flexible with your credit history, which is a huge benefit for smaller businesses or those with less than perfect credit. But that flexibility comes at a price. Interest rates can range higher compared to other lending options. So, if you're looking for the absolute lowest rates, Fora Financial might not be the best fit. Next thing to consider, the application process. It's pretty quick and straightforward. You can get pre-approved in just a few hours, and the funds can hit your account in about 24 hours after approval. This is great if you need cash fast, but if you're looking for a long, drawn-out traditional application process, Fora Financial is not it. Their speed is what sets them apart from competitors like OnDeck and Cabbage, who also offer fast financing but may come with their own sets of challenges. The third thing you should know is the loan amounts and repayment terms. Fora Financial offers loans from $5,000 to $500,000, which is a decent range. The repayment terms are flexible, but the terms are typically shorter than you'll find with traditional bank loans. Repayments can range from 6 to 18 months, and while it offers flexibility, you'll want to consider your business's cash flow before committing. The fourth thing is that Fora Financial's fees and charges can be on the higher side compared to competitors. While the company doesn't charge upfront fees for applications, they do charge fees in the form of daily or weekly payments, depending on the loan. This might be great for cash flow, but could be a strain on your day-to-day operations if your income fluctuates. Competitors like Bluevine or Fundbox have different fee structures and might give you more breathing room depending on your business's needs. Another thing to know is their customer service. I've used their service, and I've found that their customer support team is responsive and knowledgeable, which can make a huge difference when you're in a tight spot. While Fora Financial isn't perfect, especially when compared to larger institutions, their service is personal enough to make sure you get the help you need without getting lost in the bureaucracy. The sixth thing you need to keep in mind is that Fora Financial's focus is on business growth, rather than just covering your day-to-day operational costs. If you're looking for funds to expand, hire more staff, or invest in growth initiatives, Fora Financial could be a solid choice. But if your business is struggling to stay afloat and you just need some short-term cash flow relief, it may not be your best option. The seventh and final thing to note is their transparency. Some lending platforms are notorious for hiding fees and terms, but Fora Financial is relatively upfront about the cost of borrowing. However, it's still crucial to read the fine print because the fees can add up quickly. Be sure to evaluate the total cost of borrowing and how it compares to other providers like Lendio or Cabbage. If all of this sounds good and you're ready to try Fora Financial, you can get the best offer by clicking the first link in the description below. The trial offer will give you the chance to explore the platform and see if it's the right fit for your business. And remember, Fora Financial is ideal for fast-growing businesses that need access to capital without the red tape of traditional lenders. So if you're ready to make that next step, click the link below and get started with the best free trial, exclusive benefits, and more.